Hi, in our last video, we showed you how to connect your artificial flower walls together. Today, I'm going to show you how you can install it onto your event stand so that you can brighten up your next event. After you've connected them together, hold it up to your event stand, and you might need a friend to help you with this part. Pop it up, line it up so that you see none of the event stand, and then use a cable tie to connect it together. If you don't have a friend to help you, you can also pop the event stand down flat on the floor and connect it that way. It is that easy to create a beautiful flower wall for your next event. Obviously, to cover the whole flower wall, all you need to do is repeat the steps for each panel and cut if you need to cut to size. Good luck at your next event and have fun!